What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jorgito back with another video. Guys, today we got something special for you. We got a 1984 Buick Regal. It is not in the best condition. Check it out, guys. Man, how long has this car been sitting, you think?
I don't know, it ain't got no tags on it.
Ain't got tags? Check the engine out, man. This thing looks pretty rough shape, man. Pretty freaking rough shape.
It's alright though.
Got some peel, a little bit of rust.
Yeah, got some holes over here.
Holes? Oh damn, would you get shot at or what?
From the vinyl top. It's alright.
It's a diamond in the rough, I guess.
Yep.
But guys, what we're gonna try to do here in a bit is we're gonna try to start it up and get her running. Guys, so this car has not been started in over 20 years. It's been sitting here. They fished it out of a pond. What all are you gonna do to it to try to get it to crank on?
So I just got some starter fluid right here. I'm just gonna spray some starter fluid in there, and like you said,
I saw you connecting something over here.
I connected the battery and put a battery on it.
So you put a battery on it, and you put in some starter fluid.
Yeah, till the gas reaches the carburetor.
All right, guys, let's see what it does, man. Oh shit, damn, it's running. It's actually running, guys. Do you know how many miles this thing has on it?
Will they go infinity miles?
Nah, you see what it says. It's either got 70,000 original miles or 170.
70 or 170?
Yeah, either one. But
That'd be badass if it was 70,000 miles on.
I'm gonna redo the car, so I already got a 4.3 V6.4 with the serpentine setup. I'm gonna put an overdrive transmission in it. I got all metal bumper fillers already for it. I got bucket seats, center console.
What's that in there?
Well, that's an air tank from airlift for my dually.
That's an air tank?
Yeah, for my dually.
Damn. That's badass.
It's for my dually, the frame.
Guys, this is crazy, man. This is a pretty old vehicle. Lots of rust, but that thing cranked right on, huh? Quick. I was surprised how fast that cranked on. I thought it would have gave you a little bit more trouble. Can you ride it?
Yeah,
rides pretty good?
move it, yeah.
Damn. Do a burnout.
Huh?
Do a burnout.
Shit, I don't want to do no burnout. Try to let it warm up so it won't die on me.
Is this the wheel or the hubcap?
Oh, that's a hubcap for my Camry.
So you said this is a 1984?
Yeah, 84 Buick Regal.
Is this like your dream car right here?
My first car was a Regal, so man, I love them. Hopefully this summer it'll be back on the highway.
Yeah. Guys, this is crazy to see, man. You can tell this car's been through a lot.
A dick.
Let's see if we can get it to keep running. Oh shit. Riding like a Cadillac. Do a burnout. It's actually riding pretty smooth. I think it needs a little suspension work.
Yeah, it needs a little bit.
That's crazy. Are you ready to race?
Let's see if it'll start back up.
Damn, like nothing. Crazy to see this old car like this just turn on like nothing, man. What's your plans for this car?
Man, low rider, so I'm gonna end up taking it off the frame and doing everything. I'll probably bring it out this summer just with some 13s, and I got a bumper kit for it, and like I said, I got bucket seats, I got center console for it, I have a Monte Carlo SS. Just slowly get in there, and then once I get everything I need, I'll just bring it in the shop and start putting it back on the road.
And what do you think is gonna be the hardest thing to fix on this car?
It's just gonna be a lot of body work and teeth. You know, for me, I'm very picky, so I'm gonna have to strip the whole car, take the whole front end off, take the doors off. It's gonna take it off the frame, so it's gonna be a lot of body work. That's gonna be the most hardest, not hard, but very time consuming. This was actually Paul Lohr's car, so I actually got it from his family. You know, he was big in the lowrider game, so definitely gonna bring it back.
Paul passed away, what, two, 3 years now?
Yeah.
2, 3 years ago, something like that.
Yeah.
Seems like the other day, but that'd be badass to fix this thing up for, you know.
Memory of him. But yeah, it runs good, man, for being an old car.
Is the hood attached?
No, it's not.
I know. It looked like it was coming off already.
Yeah.
Man, just go over the flaws. What all do you see firsthand look?
Well, this right here, somebody's replaced the quarter panel and they riveted it on. So this had to be done either backyard boogie or somebody actually riveted this quarter panel on. So I'm actually gonna have to fix that.
It's got hella rust too, man.
Yeah, it's got a lot of surface rust. This is a factory seam I'm gonna have to fix. I guess there's body work on this roof that's old because you can see it's fucking, you know.
Peeling up already.
Yeah, see? That's probably 1/8 of an inch thick filler on there. Got some rust bubbling right here. This is called crow's feet right here. This car has a lacquer paint job on it from in the 80s, it's lacquer. So it's called crow's feet. It starts cracking, it looks like chicken's feet. So they call it chicken's feet or crow's feet. The whole hood's doing, so it had to be completely stripped. This is broken, I fixed that with some fiberglass. Of course the hood isn't bolted down, but that's how I got it. Of course we got rust holes. These cars are notorious for rusted Cadillacs, Buicks, Cutlass, Monte Carlos. They have a vinyl top on it. Water gets under it from the moisture, washing it in rain, and it seeps down. And it'll start eating the rust away, it'll start eating the metal. So I actually have to cut all this out, take the glass out, cut a piece out, and actually put a new piece in there.
This shit sounds like a lot of work.
Nah, man. It's work, but it's all right.
A little bit of bird shit right there.
Yeah, I got some bird shit too. This car's originally from Cobra in Austin when it's brand new. Yeah, so it's a Texas car.
Imagine what this thing looked like coming off the lot, man.
Yeah, beautiful, man. Champagne color, brown interior.
Y'all stop, guys, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this short video of this 1984 Buick Regal, man. Y'all stay tuned because we might do an update video. Like I said, my boy Pete wants to get this thing fixed up. So maybe later on this year, we can do an update on how this car is going. And y'all's already seen the before, and it'd be cool to see the after, guys. But appreciate y'all watching this short video, man. I hope y'all like it. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Till next time, man. Y'all stop.